What's up, guys? So we're gonna try something. I bought this box blade, so I just can't use it for leveling. I have to be able to use it for something else. So I'm gonna try something right now. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Here is the box blade. What I want to do is I want to put rings, the mulch rings around the trees. I'm on a quest to make my yard right. Obviously, it's not. It's in a process. I'm not gonna do any weeding this year. All right. So basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come out to about right here, and we're gonna hit a nice little sloping angle. The reason I'm not gonna make a good circle right here is because if I go like this and then go like this and hit the woods, I'm not going to be able to get there with the lawnmower. So I want a nice sloping thing so when I'm driving by, I just follow it and then go around. I have other trees that I can do the circle around, but since this is probably going to be the easiest one to do while I figure this out, I'm going to start with this one. All right, so this is what we got so far. Um, Learned that the back of the box blade has a little shovel back there. So what I've been doing as I lift up, I've been pushing it into the woods. I'm going to take my front end loader and get the dirt into a pile in the back of the forest back there. So this is what it looks like, and then I've been using a shovel to make my edge, and that's what I got so far, and that's with that flathead shovel. I'm thinking about using my edger maybe to clean it up at the end so you don't see little lines, but so far the box blade is working out for me. The only thing I have to do by hand is the actual shovel out of the edge right here and going all the way around. Other than that, it's everything with the machine. So I'm pretty stoked right now about the box blade, the front end loader. So let's continue on. To make it a little bit easier, I've been hitting 45s. And hitting it straight. 45s. And straight. All right, so it turned out pretty good. The motor on my edger, I'm pretty sure I got to rebuild the carb, so I'll play with that in the morning. I'm gonna go get some mulch tomorrow also. First, I'll edge this out once I fix the carb, and then mulch this out. This area over here, I actually used the box blade, and I backed up. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm using it a little later. I just want to make sure I'm pretty good at it before I start putting videos on me using the box blade, so I don't look like a moron. I mean, I'm not very good at it right now. It's taken me a whole bunch of tries just to get, you know, exactly how far the box blade is supposed to go down in order for me to dig it out correctly and stuff. So you can see here how I have like little steps where I'm not gliding right. I mean, I did all right, but it's not perfect. So I have a whole bunch of other trees that I need to get to. So I'll start showing it then. Over here, I used the front end loader. So obviously that looks a lot better than the rest of it. Yeah, so on the next video, we'll show that. Also, I built this flower box right here out of cedar. It was actually pretty simple. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how we did that. I'm wrapping the entire deck in citronella in hopes to at least help keep the mosquitoes away. So if you like these kind of videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. It helps me out, and I hope to see you again.